Hi, programmers. Wish you a time of happy learning with your last minute professor. Given a group of values where each value occurs in pair except one, let us see how to find that number without pair. The input given by the user will contain a group of values where every value occurs twice except one value. As we see on the screen, 10 occurs twice, 20 occurs twice, 15 occurs twice, but only once. So the desired output in this case is 45. I'm going to discuss a very simple strategy to solve this. Before continuing, I request you to pause for a moment. Think your own approach to solve it. The idea is if we XOR all the input values, we will get the desired output. Interesting, isn't it? Are you still confused? No worries, I shall explain. This is how XOR logic gate works. If the two inputs of XOR are same, the result would be 0. If one of the inputs is 0, the result would be the other number. In other words, the XOR of a number with 0 is the number itself. So, we shall initialize a variable called result to 0 and XOR all the input values. Every element when XORed with its pair would return a result 0. 0 in turn when XORed with the element without pair would result in the element itself. That's the idea. Now let us code it in Python first. Assume you have a list like this 10, 20, 15, 20, 10, 45, 15. Let me name the list as A. Then initialize a variable called answer to 0. For every element I in the list A, XOR the element I with answer and update the result in answer. Answer is equal to answer XOR I. Print the value of answer after the loop exits. So let me save the code and run it. The output is 45. C program would go like this. Here every element can be accessed with the index only. So first let us find the length of the array by dividing the total size of array. So size of A divided by size of one element of the array. So that's what I have given by size of A of 0. So starting from index 0 till index length of the array minus 1, XOR the elements at those indexes. Print the result after the loop exits. That's it. To encourage and support the work, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for further updates.